Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So apparently when you feel like you don't want to do something, that's when you should do it. That's what they say. Do you believe that? So you wake up in the morning, what comes to your head? Do you want to do something? Do you want to do it? Do you want to go work out? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to start a YouTube channel? Do you want to start investing? Do you want to start saving? But your mind is telling you, it's not a must you do it today. It's not a must you do it tomorrow. You can keep it. You have some delay tactics that are telling you, hey, you got time, you have time, you have time. So I think when you wake up in the morning, you have something in your head, just do it. No matter what. Even if, okay, these are the good things, positive things. They say that when you lack motivation, discipline should make you do it. When you have discipline in anything that you're trying to do, you should just do it. Just do it. Discipline matters a lot. And if you want to start something today, just do it. Many a times that we are just involved with so many activities, so many things, but you forget to do that one thing you were supposed to do, that you lacked motivation, that you lacked any sort of morale or psyche to do it. But there's one factor that keeps us pushing and pushing, and that is discipline. I think I've always wanted to do videos every day for YouTube, but I can't. I won't blame it on being a mom, but you just find you don't have time, or you have time but you're thinking of other things. You're like, I'm not gonna do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. And right now it's 12:41 a.m. My baby is asleep, everyone is asleep. So I thought of just shooting a short video on how to try doing something that you've always done. The best part of starting out something is planning for it. If you don't write anything that you plan, you will never execute it. Okay? So I think where you lack some sort of motivation, you lack any sort of psyche, you just focus on the discipline side of it. Is it worth it? Am I going to benefit in the end for doing this thing? Because some things are priority. For example, like going to the gym or working out at home, or just looking for a way to do something that you really want to do. You keep postponing it. If you haven't watched my procrastination video, I'll link it in the description box so that you watch it. And let's try and encourage each other. What exactly do you do, or do you have, which skill do you have when you lack motivation but you need to do something, you need to accomplish something? Please comment down below in the comment section. Tell me what you do to keep you motivated, or when you lack motivation, what else do you do to make you do the activity, or go to the gym, start your business? What is that wow factor that will make you do something even if you don't have the morale to do it? So today's video, I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Just short and precise, not too much drama. Okay, so where motivation lacks, you have to be disciplined. It's that simple. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace.